Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a flip cup. I've made some paint here, it doesn't matter, I'm just going to paint over that now anyway. This is a 30 by 40 centimeter canvas. I've taped up the back, I've got my push pins in, and in these two cups I have layered random colors of paint. Two of the paints in here have some silicone in to make cells. Two of the colors. I put 3 drops of silicone into each. Right, so I'm going to just tip this over and tip it over. And now we're just going to let that sit for a couple moments while I put my gloves on. Okay, it's been about a minute, so I'm going to tip them out and then we're going to tilt. Right. And then I'm just going to use a stick just to wet the edges a little bit, just to help this move when we tilt it. Just like that. It just helps, especially when you get to the edges, the corners. The corners are always the hardest part to get the paint over. That should just help a little. Okay, and I'm going to just give it a quick hit with a heat gun because I just mixed a lot of these paints, so there is a lot of bubbles. Right, I will torch it again after we've tilted it. So, just a heads up, the way that the camera is set up at the moment, I cannot see it at all. I cannot even see if this painting is in frame. So if it does go out of frame, I do apologize. We moved everything around in the caravan to paint it, and then we got snowed in, and I haven't been back in the caravan in a while, so we moved things around to paint it, and I haven't moved things back yet. So so things are not set up the way they're meant to be, but I'll get it all done. Hopefully this weekend I can come in and get it done. So I'm going to go over, start with that corner over there, and over and back. I'll go to this corner next. And bring it back. It didn't quite go over, it's not a problem. And I'm going to turn it around to tilt this side. Go down to that corner now. And then the last corner down the bottom. Wow. And now that is different. Just go around and make sure all the sides are covered. Looks fine. That looks fine. Can't see that side. Let me turn this. That all looks fine. Oh goodness, I don't know. I hope you can see it. I really do. So I'm going to torch it again and take my gloves off. Let me give it a quick torch. Wow, that is really different. I really like that. I'm going to bring you down and show you. Look at that. I love this part. I mean, how weird is that? It actually looks 3D. And then you go up here, and this is all these beautiful cells have popped up. Look at the colors in there. Now, you can just see it there. That green is metallic. And the blue is also metallic. This blue, that's metallic also. But wow, really, really pretty. Pretty colors, pretty cells. Look at that. Lovely, lovely. Really, really happy with that. Very, very, very pretty. Oh, look at these. And they're so cute. And those. Oh, yeah, I'm happy with this. I really, really like it. It turned out better than I thought it would. So, yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.